Imagine an object hurtling through the vast emptiness of deep space for millions of years, crossing entire star systems, completely unseen. Then, one day, it suddenly crosses into our own solar system. This isn't a scene from a science fiction movie. This is happening right now. Scientists are tracking an extraordinary interstellar visitor known as 3I Atlas, and what it's doing near our sun has left astronomers completely baffled. What exactly is 3I Atlas? Where did it come from? And what makes its latest movement so shocking? Let's dive in and find out. The 3I in its name tells us it is the third interstellar object ever detected passing through our solar system. You might remember the first two, the famous cigar-shaped Oumuamua back in 2017, and then 2I Borisov in 2019. This new visitor, 3I Atlas, was discovered in 2020 by the Atlas Survey Project in Hawaii, and it immediately grabbed the attention of scientists worldwide. Unlike the regular comets we know, which follow predictable orbits around our sun, this object was on a completely different path. It was blazing through space at an incredible speed, nearly 100,000 miles per hour, on what astronomers call a hyperbolic trajectory. In simple terms, that means it's just passing through. It's on a one-way trip, destined never to return. This isn't a resident of our solar system. It's a true traveler from the stars. The initial observations were already exciting, confirming we had another guest from a distant part of the galaxy. But then, as it drew closer, something truly strange happened. Something that put everyone on the edge of their seats. As 3I Atlas journeyed toward the inner solar system, powerful telescopes, tracking its every move, noticed something scientists simply did not expect. The comet changed direction, but only slightly. Experts are calling this a non-gravitational maneuver. What that means is, the object didn't move, exactly as the fundamental laws of gravity predicted it should. Its path deviated, pushed by some unseen force. This kind of behavior is extremely rare and incredibly puzzling. In fact, the only other time astronomers have witnessed something similar was with Oumuamua. That mysterious object, you'll recall, sparked wild debates. Was it just a weirdly shaped natural rock, or could it have been a piece of alien technology, an extraterrestrial probe? So, naturally, the big question arose again. Could 3I Atlas be another artificial object sent from an advanced civilization? While it's a thrilling thought, most scientists are saying no. They believe there's a natural explanation, but they all agree that its behavior is highly unusual and demands a closer look. It's a genuine cosmic mystery unfolding right before our eyes. So, if it's not an alien spacecraft, why is this interstellar comet acting so strangely? What could be powerful enough to push an object off a course dictated by the gravity of our sun? One leading explanation is that jets of gas erupting from the comet's surface are giving it a slight push, altering its trajectory. Think of it like a tiny, natural rocket engine. As 3I Atlas gets closer to the sun, the intense heat causes the ice on its surface to vaporize and shoot out into space. This release of gas can create a small rocket effect, nudging the comet off its gravitational path. This phenomenon is known to happen with comets from our own solar system. However, there's a twist. 3I Atlas seems to be breaking apart much faster than expected. This suggests it might be more fragile than the comets we're used to. Or perhaps it's made of a very unusual, more volatile material. Astronomers now theorize that it could have originated from a completely different star system, one that formed under conditions vastly different from our own. If that's true, 3I Atlas isn't just a rock. It's a messenger carrying clues about the makeup of planets and stars far, far beyond our little neighborhood in the galaxy. This brings us to why studying objects like 3I Atlas is so incredibly important. Every time we get the chance to observe an interstellar visitor, we learn something new and profound about the universe. These objects are like time capsules, carrying pristine dust and ice from distant alien worlds that no spacecraft we've built could ever hope to reach. They are physical samples from another star system, delivered right to our doorstep. The study of 3I Atlas could help scientists unlock some of the biggest questions in astronomy. For instance, it could give us insights into how other solar systems are born and how they evolve. By analyzing its composition, we can learn what kinds of materials exist in the vast, empty spaces between stars, and by observing its journey, we can better understand how objects survive the harsh, millennia-long trip through interstellar space. Even if this comet completely disintegrates as it passes our sun, it won't be a loss. The light it emits and the fragments it leaves behind will provide a treasure trove of data for scientists to analyze for years to come. In a way, even in its destruction, it offers us a gift of knowledge, and maybe a few more tantalizing mysteries to solve. As 3i Atlas continues its brief, spectacular visit through our solar system, astronomers are watching with every telescope they can point its way. This fleeting moment is a rare opportunity, a glimpse into the cosmic wilderness. In the endless, silent darkness of space, every small discovery like this serves as a powerful reminder of how little we truly know, and how much is still out there waiting to be found. From the farthest edges of the cosmos to the fiery heart of our own sun, the universe never ceases to amaze and surprise us. 31RLS is just the latest reminder that reality can often be far stranger, more complex, and ultimately more beautiful than anything we could ever imagine in science fiction. Thank you so much for joining us on this cosmic journey today. If you enjoyed this exploration of space's biggest mysteries, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss another mind-expanding adventure with us. We'll see you in the next video.